Trapped in a time loop horror? Till Dawn if you survive. One flick, 1 minute. Let's talk about Until Dawn. Ito ay kwento ng isang group of friends na pumunta sa remote valley para hanapin yung missing sister ng isa sa kanila. Pero bakit parang trap sila sa isang bahay or what they call a visitor center tapos with a creepy hourglass? Biglang may mass killer tapos sunod-sunod ng horror deaths. Tapos boom! Biglang reset. Nabalik sila sa simula ng gabi again and again, paulit-ulit. Pero hindi pare-pareho eh. Iba-iba ang threat every loop. Slasher, creepy horrors, kung ano-ano ang pumapatay sa kanila. Hanggang makita nila na may limited lives lang sila makasurvive until dawn. Parang nasa game, puno ng gore, mga Wendigo creatures, at yung suspense, paulit-ulit. Grabe, nakakapanik talaga. Kung trip mo yung survival horror na may twist bawat reset, this is the movie for you. That was Until Dawn in a Minute. Like and follow for more quick flick.